So a little change of pace today. We're doing another vlog. So what we're doing today is we're going to lower my car, roll the fenders, and get that fitment on point. Yeah, I probably shouldn't say that. Get my fitment all dialed up and everything. So I'm gonna head to Duncan's house in Santa Rosa. So yeah, but first we'll start you off with a cold start. There she is. There's my baby. All dirty from the water and the rain. Isn't that just a thing of wonders? So, yeah, we're gonna go to Santa Rosa. Might stop for some gas, even though I'm not sure I really need it. It's always better to have gas. So, I think I'm gonna put you on my head on the GoPro and we'll get going. I try not to drive like a bleep in town, just because cops kind of are attracted to my car. I usually see about at least one cop every time I drive in town, and they definitely know my car because it's loud, it's red, and I mean, how could you not know my car? So, yeah, I'm just trying to keep it mellow through town. I don't try and make people mad, because then they end up calling the cops and then I get a search warrant, or a warrant for me, which is not something I want. So, probably in a couple months we'll be doing a video for me installing a new clutch or getting a new clutch, because mine's starting to slip. I got this car with 73,000 miles on it, and I have 80,700 miles on it, actually, exactly. And now the clutch is starting to slip, so I need to get a new clutch. I don't think I'm gonna go with OEM. I'm gonna hopefully just get a stage 2. That way I can, you know, beat on it a little bit harder and it'll withstand some more, rather than having a stock clutch again that will end up just slipping, you know. Upgrade for the future. And in the future I do have good things for this car. Just need to save up that dough for it, because unfortunately turbo kits are not very cheap for HRZs. That guy would make me a snack. Surprisingly gets pretty good gas mileage. Even when you're driving like a maniac, I still get about 21 highway. Does this Mercedes want to race? Never mind. There's a cop. I hope I do not get pulled over right now. Well guys, I don't know if you could see that, but that cop was just tailing me, and And like I said, you know, I see at least one cop every time I drive. I have no idea why. I've never, before when I didn't have a Z, I would just have, you know, just see cops like a normal person would, but, you know, when you live the race car life. No, he was a Pinole police officer, police car, so it's not even from around here, really. So I'm not really sure what he's doing around here, but he definitely saw me about to race that Mercedes, or about to gap him. And then luckily I looked in the rearview mirror because I saw a cop car. Yeah, it would have been a little bit of a different story today if I didn't, you know. Goodness, my luck.
So I took another drag, it's a teenage trash, come straight up at the air. 1, 2, 3, bones riding down the street, Mr. 517 flow D19.
Oh, we just made it to Duncan's house. He's got that sick old machine right there. Alright, let's get out. Oh, I should probably get my keys out of the ignition, it might help. Hi there, feller. Hey there, feller.
How's it hanging?
It's a little wet today.
I know. I was hoping it was dry this morning and then it started freaking sprinkling.
Sprinkling?
Yeah, I gotta get my fitment dialed.
6 hours later.
So guys, didn't lower it that much, but I did roll the fenders. Just figured I might as well not break stuff, but this is what happened. It's pretty good. Got the fenders rolled. Got a dirty car. And on the other side, but the coilovers will settle in and it'll drop a little bit. And then Duncan over here has got his fitment on point. The Bimmer beam ski.
Yeah, it's long travel, you know. Custom fitment. Rally.
Rally Beamer.
Rally beamer.
Definitely rally. Yeah. I guess this thing's alright.